So to get the program installed, go to the structuresoffice.com website, go to ThinWallSections, download ThinWallSections, click the download button, and you'll see that the publisher is Structures Office L.L.C, and that means the program's code signed, so it recognizes who the author was, and you want to make sure that you see this on the publisher. That means it hasn't been tampered with. You agree to the terms, which basically says that you can never guarantee anything's bug-free. Okay, and now it's installed. Start it up. So, first time the program's installed, it's going to say you need to request a 30-day trial. Click OK. You need to give it an address, where it's going to send you the key. Using my personal email. Trial edition has all the features. And then it opens up a browser and tells you that it's going to send you a confirmation code to the address that you gave. Okay, then you'll receive an email from sales@structuresoffice.com, and it gives you this key, which is here. You copy that key, go back to the application, go to Certificates tab, install confirmation code. Once again, it's saying that you'll have to always verify results, and enter it, and it should say you're good to go. And that's all there is to it.